IIT दिल्ली कहते हैं कि ये इंडिया का बेस्ट इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज है। यहाँ का एक्सेप्टेंस रेट इज लेस देन 1%, विच इज लोअर देन मोस्ट ऑफ द इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेजेस ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। यहाँ के बच्चे कुछ अलग हैं, इसलिए इंडिया के 100 स्टार्टअप यूनिकॉर्न्स में से 30 IIT दिल्ली से हैं। बट सर्वाइविंग इन दिस कॉलेज इज हार्डर देन गेटिंग इन। दैट्स वाई साल में हमें 3 दिन मिलते हैं जब हम पढ़ाई भूल जाते हैं, प्लेसमेंट्स भूल जाते हैं, सारा स्ट्रेस भूल जाते हैं एंड बस अपने दोस्तों के साथ कोचिंग ने जो प्रॉमिस किया था वो फेस्ट एंजॉय करते हैं। And what if I told you that a college kid managed to sponsor the biggest college fest in Asia? Well, North India. Sounds crazy, right? Well, that's exactly what happened.
I sponsored the IIT Delhi College Fest Rendezvous, that too as a student. If you want to find out how I did it, stay till the end of the video and right now enjoy the Rendezvous experience by Guide XP. Welcome to the RDV experience by Guide XP.
By Guide XP.
So first up, we have the campus tour.
Yeah.
You paparazzi around.
And this campus tour is basically our first product, or well, service. Not only did I show multiple groups around the campus and the IIT Delhi Fest myself, but we also had a WhatsApp group with over 100 IIT Delhi guides, जिनका मकसद सिर्फ ये था कि वो DU के दोस्त बना पाए।
Have like this open mic thing, then we have that 360-degree video thing. We have VR experiences and we have a real life Tinder that we're doing at 4:30. Tell me 5 stereotypes that you've heard about IIT boys. First 5 words that come to your mind.
Studious और मैं 5 तो बहुत ज़्यादा है।
चल 3.
इतना I'm not heard।
IIT boys के तो ध्यान नहीं देते।
अरे मतलब इतना सुना ही नहीं है।
एक आध ठीक ठाक लगते, बाकी सब बेकार है।
यही कि स्टूडियस है, पढ़ते रहते हैं एंड मतलब they don't have fun, but it's not like that.
Do you believe that's true?
No, it's not. Obviously, it's very different.
Absolutely, भाई IITians do a lot more than just study.
चलो कैंपस को ऐसी जगह से देखते हैं जहां से पूरा कैंपस दिखता हो। As you can see, entry prohibited. बट तुम लोगों को IIT का बेस्ट व्यू दिखाने के लिए हमने अपनी डिग्री दांव पे लगा दी। तो गाइज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब तो बनता है। बाय द वे दिस इज वन ऑफ माय कोर फच्चाज भव्य, यू शाउट आउट टू हिम, ही इज डूइंग रियली ग्रेट ऑन YouTube, so do check him out. This drone shot that I'm going to show you from the terrace is thanks to him. Whenever I feel stressed, I come here, usually at night, to look at where I am and what I have been through to get here. This spot makes me feel like I can do anything. नीचे तुम्हें stalls दिख रहे होंगे, and this LHC is basically where our classes are held.
So this is our lecture hall, which has been turned into a model ramp walk thingy for Rendezvous. ओए कार्तिक कहाँ जा रहा है?
भाई मैं 1 to 1 में जा रहा हूँ।
1 to 1 इधर है।
अबे ऊपर भाई मैं ऊपर देखने जा रहा था बहन।
अबे तो LHC कब से नहीं आया भाई यार?
भाई 2 साल।
ये देखो गाइस IITians, IIT दिल्ली
टॉपर हाँ ऑफ कोर्स फॉर श्योर। लेट्स गो।
है मेरा कोर बच्चा कार्तिक, who is one of the best rappers I know.
IIT में आया पर करनी नहीं पढ़ाई थी, देसी दिल से पहनावे से हूँ विलायती, मार के रैपरों की लाश में सच्चाई थी, जाने जाना तुम्हें अकल कब आएगी, कि ना बिना हमसे कभी पड़ी लाश हो, सीखा बाप से लिखा किस्मत में है जो बस फास लो, बोलते जितने बोलते क्या होगा, रैप से नीचे देख पैरों में मेरे एडी V3 साथ। If you wanna ride, try our app guide।
ये भाई चलता फिरता मार्केटिंग की दुकान है। But apart from marketing on rappers and vests, we also had stickers of Guide XP posted all around campus on dustbins, signboards, and walls.
दीपिका के बगल में गाइड।
Now let me take you through the stalls.
Guys, all India rank 73.
One caramel, one Snake 2, okay?
By one of the smartest people I know. एक दिन ये PhD करके AGI बनाएगा, पक्का बता रहा हूँ। Mark my words.
PhD तो करूँगा।
So first we are going to do archery.
इसके कितने रुपए मिलेंगे? अर्जुन प्रो मैक्स। देख बेसिक काइनेमैटिक्स लगाने हैं, बस थोड़ा सा यू देना है, एंगल कितना 30 डिग्रीज।
फिजिक्स इज इम्पोर्टेंट यार, कैसे जेई कैसे
भाई यार ये 30 डिग्री ज्यादा हो गया भाई।
Oh my God! Wow!
IIT Bombay has this thing called an infinite corridor. ठीक है? IIT Bombay का infinity corridor में you can cover one loop of their academic section. IIT Delhi के infinite corridor में you can go from LHC to CCD and still it is called the infinity corridor. So just goes to prove that some infinities are smaller than other infinities. The Dogra Hall, इसका जो शेप है, it's a rectangular, नहीं क्या parabolic hyperbola, Pringles के शेप की तरह है।
फिर हम गए डोगरा हॉल के अंदर, जहां चल रहा था एक स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी कंपटीशन, जिसको जज कर रहा था IIT दिल्ली का खुद का अलुमनाई एंड नाउ वन ऑफ इंडियाज टॉप स्टैंड अप कॉमिक्स मधुर बीरली।
कौन सा कॉलेज आप? इसी कॉलेज से हो? इसी कॉलेज से। जेई हमने भी निकाला है प्रधान। अरे इसमें प्रधान बोलने वाली तो कोई भी बात नहीं थी। प्रधान कैसे बना दिया तुमने मुझे इतनी सी बात पे? विदाउट कोचिंग। विदाउट कोचिंग? अच्छा, कहाँ से हो? बिहार से हो क्या? 2 लाइनें हो जाएगा? 2 लाइनें सुनेगा कुछ गजल टाइप? इनसे मत पूछो ये हार बैठे हैं। क्या बात है? इनसे मत पूछो ये हार बैठे हैं, कदमों तले लेके बाहर बैठे हैं, उसके ट्यूशन का वक्त होगा ये गली के बाहर बैठे हैं। वो तालीम और कमाने की उम्र में ये पागल लड़के दिल हार बैठे हैं। क्या बात है? तेरे नाम पे जंग हो और आज हो, ये सब लड़ने को तैयार बैठे हैं। दिले नादान यूं ही आज खुश सा है, महफिल में जो यार 4 बैठे हैं। क्या बात है भाई, क्या बात है। आपको मैं एक चीज़ बोलना चाहूँगा, आप ये कंपटीशन भी हार बैठे हैं।
But he was not the only influencer that I met during RDV. I went inside the girls' hostel, in fact, to meet Tanisho. Sponsor privileges, you know.
So Anisho, Tanisho. My bad. This is Anisho, and this is Tanisho. Obviously, you all know her, guys. So Tanisho, Boston or Bombay?
Oh,
Depends on.
Depends on student life Boston, normal life Bombay.
How did you never get an accent?
Anyone who gets an accent is faking it.
That is true. That is true. I know girls in IIT who have accents. Yeah, they've never gone to US. South Delhi.
Very mean.
So,
Can't say that.
how many times have you been to Delhi?
So I used to to come here a lot when I was younger, but in the last 5-6 years I haven't come. So I barely remember.
So you not traveled Delhi, right?
No.
Oh, great. So, if you want to, find out some cool experiences in Delhi, so you should check out our website. It's called guidexp.com.
Okay.
Hi, Shreya. Nice to meet you. She has a question.
Can you give tips on how to have a successful college romance?
I'm single. I'm looking for a partner. After my college, but again, I'm not the right person to ask. I've dated 5 people in college romance.
Oh, in college.
Yeah.
Don't ask me this question.
Oh my god.
Now, for no reason at all, let's play a game with random DU people called Guess the IITian.
So you have to guess हम लोग में से कौन IITian है?
She
Okay.
Okay, fine. And
and then she.
Okay. Okay.
okay, fine.
One more.
Okay, then you. I pick.
So you got 2 right.
2 right and 2 wrong. Okay, fine. Both of them were wrong. Yeah, we both of them IIT.
I was getting you.
Okay, fine. Thanks for joining.
हाँ, तो कहाँ थे हम?
This place is called the wind tunnel. So ये डिजाइन it was designed in such a way कि यहाँ से हवा आएगी तो इन ऊपर के डिजाइन की वजह से it has a breeze यहाँ पे. That's why this whole place is called the wind tunnel.
True, but I can feel the wind going through.
You can feel it while you walk. ऐसे you can feel that. IIT Delhi's building is so much better than IIT Bombay's main building. खंडर जैसी लगती है वो. यहाँ पे ना बच्चों से ज़्यादा excited माँ बाप होते हैं जब वो बच्चों को छोड़ने के लिए आते हैं.
मम्मी पापा को फोटो चाहिए होते हैं.
I've seen so many people, so many kids just like ऐसे fuckless कि मतलब IIT ठीक है. Parents like oh photo.
Excuse me, are you from IIT Delhi?
Yeah, you from IIT Delhi?
Oh, फिर क्यों फोटो खिंचा रहे थे? टाइम पास के लिए.
Before we get to the next part of the RDV experience, let me show you our stall. Honestly, this was harder work than I expected. And this fest made me realize what building a startup is going to be like. You have to be the manager, the developer, the designer, the laborer, the janitor, everything. We had to literally carry these huge 10 by 10 boards from our hostel till the stall. Thankfully though, I had a great team. Honestly, none of this would have been possible without these guys. They put in really long hours of work to make the RDV experience a reality. Not gonna lie, the experience was fun and humbling at the same time, but it's something that I hope to hire people to handle in the future for. Anyways, now let's get to our next offering, which was the open mic. और बाकी सब चीज़ों की तरह I had to kickstart even the open mic myself. Pretty typical by now though for an early stage startup founder. पर फिर लोग आने लगे and the talent on display was simply amazing. Some might even say better than the pro nights. This guy attracted quite a crowd, honestly. Now, my favorite segment, IRL Tinder.
आपके लिए तो पूरी दुनिया नाप लूं, आपकी आज्ञा हो तो आपका पसीना भी चाट लूं.
मतलब हमारे स्टॉल पे और भी बहुत कुछ था वैसे. I mean, people could literally travel the world and go even beyond into space. I personally love being on top of Mount Everest.
कहाँ जा रहा है भाई?
भाई तू कहाँ पे जा रहा है? गाइड की ट्रिप पे. Let's go.
And we had this 360-degree video booth and these huge cutouts where people took pictures to test out a product called Guide Memories. This product is an essential part of our company ethos because we want every experience to become a core memory. And everyone wants to remember these memories. And the best experiences deserve to be remembered from every angle. पर फिर भी सबसे ज़्यादा crowd pulling, entertaining and content milking experience that we hosted was real life Tinder. Forget swiping on a screen. This was all about face-to-face connections. The rules are very simple. Each boy has to give his best pickup line and the girl can choose to swipe either right or left. Each loser gets a prize and the winner walks away with bragging rights. College mein super aur kya hi hai. Before we go ahead, I just want to tell you that some of these people are IITians. I want you to guess in the comments who you think it is. Most of the pickup lines were pretty lame.
Knock knock. Ba.
Do you have a map? Because I am lost in your eyes.
Swipe left.
Desperate.
यार थोड़ी सी गर्लफ्रेंड बन जाओ मेरी.
नहीं थोड़ी सी गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं बन सकते. I'm sorry.
थोड़ी सी बन जाओ.
नहीं थोड़ी सी sorry swipe left.
लिटिल बन जाओ यार बहुत कुछ रखो.
नहीं मतलब sorry swipe left.
Vulgar.
काले में कमाल लगती हो, सफेद में बवाल लगती हो, थोड़ा सा भीग और जाओ कतई माल लगती हो.
एक तो लड़के ने ही रिजेक्ट कर दिया. उसने अपना कॉलेज फ्लेक्स किया बट देन कॉलेज बीफ ही कर दी.
तो I'm from Hansraj.
बहुत छोटा कॉलेज है. थैंक यू.
And then of course we had a few wrestlers that got swiped right, proving that nothing beats talent and your personality is what really makes you stand out.
शायद कभी न कह सकूं मैं तुमको कहे बिना समझ लो तुम शायद.
Right.
Oh nice.
बट मेरा फेवरेट तो था जब ये पाजी ने दिखाया व्हाट द पीक अल्फा मेल फॉर्म लुक्स लाइक.
हिमाचल की लड़की को कैसे आप एक डेट के लिए पूछ सकते हैं? हाँ जी सोनियो, चलिए ताम खान फिर. आओ फिर, चलिए. चलो.
Yeah, let's go. We have a winner, guys. We have a winner. भाई वो प्राइस को लेके चले गए. ठीक है चलो, I'll try one. I'll give it a try. Let's go. If I flip a coin, what are my chances of getting hit?
So right after IRL Tinder and successfully getting swiped right, I rushed to change my clothes and pick up my date for the IIT Delhi prom.
So guys, welcome to the IIT Delhi prom. How was your prom?
Very nice.
Is this the best prom you've ever had?
No.
Which was the best prom you've ever had? Last year?
Yeah.
इस ईयर इतना अच्छा क्यों नहीं लगा? जिम्मेदारियां बहुत थी गोल्ड कार्ड की.
हाँ यार.
दिखाओ गोल्ड कार्ड.
True though, last year का prom better तो था, but इस साल की RDV Pro Nights next level थी. As the sun set, IIT Delhi transformed into a musical paradise.
ये जो रातें हैं बहुत लंबी होने वाली हैं. Alright, make some noise for Aziz Koran.
thanks to my hostel and amazing seniors, since my first year, I have never had trouble getting into the fan pit right in front of the stage. पर इस बार sponsor card की power and मेरे gold card bros के साथ, I literally had the best seats in the house. Along with my Guide Memories team, making sure they captured me, my friends and the entire concert in the best quality possible. These are two of my best friends, Navdeep and Parth. Navdeep, my brother from another mother, is actually my co-founder at Guide XP. ये लोग और मेरे बाकी दोस्ती हैं that actually make giving JEE feel like it's worth it. पूरे दिन के काम, इतने स्ट्रेस के बाद, साल भर के एग्जाम्स, क्विजेस, वाइवास, असाइनमेंट्स एंड प्रोजेक्ट्स के बाद ये दोस्तों के साथ 3-4 दिन जो मिलते हैं, जो मज़ा आता है ना, that makes up for all the torture that JEE gave us and the anxiety that IIT continues to give us. ये 3-4 दिन ही हैं जो हमेशा याद रहते हैं as our college life. Not gonna lie, thank God for Guide Memories, because we actually would not have remembered half of the pro nights, and well, we were not exactly sober, you know. सच बताऊं तो मुझे इनिशियली पता ही नहीं था कि इनमें से मिथुन कौन है, पर जब उसके गाने सुने तो पता चला कि बॉलीवुड के आधे गाने तो इसने कंपोज किए हैं. हमारे लिए तो शायद बेस्ट प्रो नाइट थी. दिस इज माई एंटायर विंग in the middle of the fan pit, right in front of the stage, jumping on top of a wooden table that's wildly shaking and is almost going to break. खुश तो बहुत हो गए तुम, क्योंकि कॉन्सर्ट के बीच में फैन पिट में हमें मिले द वन एंड ओनली अमिताभ बच्चन. एक्चुअली ये आईआईटी के प्रेस वाले भैया हैं. प्रो नाइट में एंट्री बहुत मुश्किल थी. जो आए उन्होंने तो देखा ही होगा. इस सब के बीच में दिस गाय प्लेड अ लेजेंडरी बिग ब्रेन मूव, ड्रेस्ड अप एज अमिताभ बच्चन, एंड द सिक्योरिटी जस्ट लेट हिम इन. आई इवन सॉ हिम गिव सम पीपल ऑटोग्राफ्स. He even ended up dancing with my prom date.
देखा आपने लापरवाही का नतीजा है.
Make some noise for Make some noise for Saeed Yeah, boys and girls.
से तो इश्क वाला लव ही हो गया। कुछ तो प्रोफेसर्स को भी। बट कुछ प्रोफेसर्स तो यहाँ भी कैरेक्टर में थे। As expected from IIT boys, the crowd was more excited for her than Salim Suleiman. But personally, this was my favorite concert, almost like the greatest Bollywood night party. But instead of a club with random strangers, I'm surrounded by all of my best friends and juniors. This night was like a full circle for me. You know why? Because in my first year during RDV, I managed to get backstage because of one of my closest and most inspiring seniors, Ankur sir, who was organizing the fest. While I was backstage, I met Salim and Suleiman for the first time. And Salim literally fist bumped me right before he got on stage. Seeing them again made me realize two things. One, RDV के पास इतने भी पैसे नहीं है कि वो नए artists बुलाए. Second, I thought about how far I've come. You know, from enjoying the fest as a fresher in my first year, to organizing the fest in my second year, to finally becoming a sponsor in my final year. I mean, then it hit me. It's my final year. My last fest. The last time all of us will be so carefree and joyful together. I'm so glad I could record all these moments because I want to remember this forever. And we truly made the most of the final night of our final RDV together. And then, with a patriotic finish, the RDV team got on stage. Legends, all of these guys, hats off honestly, for pulling this off. And well, even the sponsor got to join them. But that's not all.
अभी क्या प्लान है? इसके बाद का क्या प्लान है?
बंडी 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 बंडी
Akarshan here. Akarshan, where is Akarshan? Okay. If you feel this was a unique experience, discover a lot more unique experiences only on guidexp.com. It's an IIT daily startup. So support them and discover unique experiences on guidexp.com.
Now, all this was great, but what I'm going to show you next truly was a dream come true. It's something that I've dreamed of doing ever since I joined my JEE coaching. Performing on the biggest stage of my dream college.
Mr. Akarshan, the performer and sponsor of tonight's event. His company provides a lot of unique experiences. Guide XP, and he's here today to give you a very, very unique experience in another form. What the fuck? So let's hear it for Mr. Akarshan!
Hi guys, how many IITians in the crowd here? Give me a cheer. Thank you so much. Lovely to meet you, lovely to see all of you. So the first song that I'm going to sing tonight is a song that I wrote back in my first year when I just joined college. And I hope there's a lot of first years here out here. Remember, the next 3 years and 4 years of your life is going to be really amazing. So to make the most out of it. And just to remind you, that's why this song is called the IIT song, which reflects the 4 years of an IIT life. I hope you guys like it. Life थी चिल थी नो बीती फिर दिया मैंने JEE और आ गया अब मैं IIT
अब होती रोज है एंजाइटी लाइफ होगी सेट बोले शर्मा जी बस चले जाओ एक बार IIT क्या फर्क पड़े बस सियासती जॉब मिलेगी सबको यहाँ अच्छी MTL लग गए APL लग गए GPL से भागे बर्थडे पे अब यहाँ मिली एक न्यू फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स जिनके साथ सब वर्थ इट लगे जिसको की डेफिनेशन बदल गई सीखी चीजें बहुत नई नई सबको चाहिए यू की बंदी
Legit. बचपन का सपना पूरा हो गया. This is the IIT song. You can check it out on my channel. I've already posted it twice actually, but maybe if you guys like it, I will make a music video soon. So do tell me in the comments. You know, let me tell you something personal. I was actually rejected in my first year in my music club audition. It's a long story. It was probably unfair, but it is what it is. And it was just a bad time for me. At that time, if you would have told me that I would get to perform on the Pro Night stage, let alone sponsor the fest, I wouldn't have believed you, dude. At all. अभी भी थोड़ा भरोसा नहीं होता honestly कि एक महीने में ये किया कैसे? तो हमने किया कैसे? For that, you need to know the story of our hostel elections.
हमें इलेक्शन पता था IIT में कैसे होते हैं. इलेक्शंस इन IIT में क्या होता है ना, ऐसे देश के इलेक्शन होते हैं, अलायंसेस बनती है अलग अलग पार्टीज की, राइट? वैसे ही IIT में भी ऐसी अलग अलग हॉस्टल्स के अलायंसेस बनते हैं. तो हमारे हॉस्टल की जो अलायंस थी, we had like ऐसे 6 hostels. There was another, सामने वाला hostel had 6 hostels, ऐसे लगभग 6 hostels, 7 hostels. On the day of the election, सामने वाले hostel काराकोरम, उसके पास बस एक hostel बचा था सतपुरा. हाँ, बाकी सारे जितने भी थे 4-5 वो बैकआउट करके हमारे साइड आ गए. On the day of voting, सिर्फ हमारी अलायंस गई वोट करने, उनकी अलायंस ने वोट ही नहीं डाला. फुल पावर विंडी जनता पार्टी.
भूल तो नहीं गए हमें.
भाई इसलिए विंडी के ना 6-7 सीटें में गोल्ड कार्ड्स और ये देखो स्पॉन्सर कार्ड.
My friends really came through, helping us get a great deal and making all of this possible. I'm super grateful to everyone because इनके बिना ये सचमुच नामुमकिन होता. Now who am I?
My name is Akarshan and I'm the founder of Guide XP, Guide with a Y. And I'm a final year CS student at IIT Delhi and I started this company back in January this year.
You might ask that अगर IITD CS में हो तो placement में क्यों नहीं बैठ रहे? Startup क्यों कर रहे हो?
And this question has been asked to me a lot of times pretty recently. Whether it's like juniors asking me, or it's like an investor, why do you want to do what you're doing? So my answer is always very simple, and this is what I had in my mind before I came to IIT. In fact, I want to do 2 things in life. One is I want to travel the world. Second is I want to go beyond. I want to go to space.
For the students that are wrestling with should I start a company now at 19 or 20, or should I go join another entrepreneur like the research lab or venture, what advice would you give them?
Well, since he gave the case to join a company, I'll give the other one, which is I think you learn a lot just starting a company. And if that's something you want to do at some point, there's this thing Paul Graham says, but I think it's like very deeply true. There's no pre-startup like there is pre-med. You kind of just learn how to run a startup by running a startup. And if that's what you're pretty sure you want to do, you may as well jump in and do it.
So I'm going to use this channel to show you my journey, share what I learn, especially with the wise and talented people that I meet, whether it's for funding or for business or as a collaboration, and to take you along with me on these crazy adventures and experiences. Because over the course of the past few months, while building a B2C product, I realized that even though the product matters, it's distribution that's actually king. One more thing. Thanks a lot for watching this video until the end. I hope you had as much fun watching this as I did while making it. By sponsoring Rendezvous, we could reach thousands, test our MVP, and create viral content. It was a big risk as I was using my own personal savings, but hopefully it might just turn out to be a risk worth taking. Fingers crossed. This is just the start, and I can't wait to see and share with you all where this journey takes us next. And if you've seen the video till here, then you're the 1% guys. So please go and comment 1% so I know who you guys are. And thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it.
Thanks! Love you!
Now you guys can enjoy the blooper and I'll see you all really soon when I experience something new.
चल बेंचोद नहीं छोड़ देंगे नहीं तो अरे मर गई भाई
I might be setting overly optimistic and unrealistic targets, but this year is all about experience. I might be setting overly optimistic and unrealistic targets. I might be setting over optimistic.